Please subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. You will need dark blue 19S sewing machine, an iron, scissors, fat quarters, pins, tape measure or ruler, thread, ribbon, and a fabric pen. Select, measure and cut out your fabrics. You will need the measurements on screen to create each size bag. In this video, I'll be creating the small bag. Press and mark out your ribbon casing points. Mark from the top at 6 cm down and 8 cm down on both height sides. Place your outer fabric right sides together, pin together. Sew a hem with 1 cm seam allowance from the top down to the first casing point, back stitch to secure before removing your needle and jumping to the next casing point, leaving a gap. Start sewing again using back stitch to secure from your second lower casing point and sew to the bottom of your bag. Pivot and sew along the bottom. Sew up the other side and repeat as with the previous side with the casing. Now to sew your fabric inner, there is no casing on this one, so sew it straight stitch down one side, pivot, sew along the bottom, pivot and sew up the other side. Fold your outer fabric bag the right way out so that there is a casing gap within your fabric. Fold over by just 1 cm and press into position. Test this by matching pieces side by side, ignoring your seam allowance on the inside piece. Sew the outer piece of fabric in a simple straight stitch all the way around your folded over fabric just below your casing gap. Insert your inner lining inside the outer fabric layer. Pin in place. Sew in a simple straight line stitch around the top of the bag using a 1 cm seam allowance, ensuring the casing is complete. Using a safety pin on the end of your ribbon, push this through your casing gap and all the way around your casing gap. Make sure you leave enough ribbon for when the drawstring is completely open. Knot your ribbon to secure. Your bag is now complete.